Well, welcome back to our seller blogs. This is blog number 9. The last time we spoke, we talked about the Binzer inspection periods. We talked about the appraisal, and we appraised. So we're moving forward. Now, what we were working on right now was getting all the repairs done. And sometimes this can be a little bit daunting because you have to follow up with several different repair trades to ensure that they finish their work and that we get our receipts so that we can provide that to our buyers. Because they want to make sure that any repairs that we agreed to do were done and that they have proof that the receipts or that those services were paid for. Now that that has been done, we also had to handle a solar lease because our property does have solar on it, and glad to say that Tesla has done a pretty good job at getting us all the disclosures and following through with their lender, ensuring that our buyer's lender has the documentation that they need, as well as our title. Appraisal will appraise, so we're good there. Now the other contingency was the sale of their home, and they were going through the inspection period. We are glad to say that their buyers have accepted based on the terms that they negotiated. So that's great news. We are now proceeding towards closing, which should be happening next week per the contract as dated in the contract. However, since our property is vacant, we have opened the idea to our buyers that if you would like to close sooner, you're welcome to, but that's going to be subject to their lender. See, in financing, they have to do a CD, a closing disclosure. No, not the CD where you listen to music, if we even have those anymore. But it's a CD where it's a closing disclosure. They go through the different fees and costs, and it is approved by their underwriter for their lender to ensure that yes, we can proceed. And that when the final CD comes through, they have to allow the buyers 3 business days to review this documentation. So it does put in that waiting period. So we're going through that right now, and next step will be getting our closing papers. So stay tuned, and again, if you guys have any questions about selling your home and the steps that it takes, please don't hesitate. Reach out to the Fry team, 623-748-3818. Guys, have a great day.